Good morning, children. Now we have another combinational circuit, full adder. And this full adder is developed to overcome the drawback or limitation of half adder. Then the question is, what is the limitation of a half adder? Half adder is a combinational circuit used to add 2 bits. And we have 2 outputs, carry and sum. And there is no mechanism to add a carry in the case of a half adder. That is the limitation of a half adder. And here in the case of full adder we have 3 inputs. They are A, B and Cin. Cin is the carry in, and the full adder generates 2 outputs, sum and carry out. So we can say that full adder is a combinational circuit with 3 inputs and 2 outputs. And this is the block diagram of a full adder. Here we have 3 inputs and 2 outputs. The 3 inputs are A, B and Cin. The 2 outputs are sum and carry out. And this is the truth table of a full adder. There are 8 different input bit combinations starting from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. And when we are adding 0 plus 0 plus 0, we get sum as 0 and carry as 0. And when we are adding 0 plus 0 plus 1, then we get sum as 1 and carry as 0. And when we add 0 plus 1 plus 0, then we get again sum as 1 and carry as 0. Okay, likewise, when we are adding 1 plus 1 plus 1, we get both sum and carry as 1. And we have a circuit diagram for full adder. Okay, and it is in the textbook. Looking at the circuit diagram, we can understand that it is a combination of, full adder is a combination of 3 AND gates, 1 XOR gate and 1 OR gate. Okay, a full adder can be constructed by connecting 3 AND gates, 1 XOR gate and 1 OR gate. And next we have another combinational circuit, comparator. Comparator is a combinational circuit used to compare 2 bits. And comparison means it performs a logical operation. Comparator compares 2 bits means it performs logical operation. And we can define a comparator as a circuit that take 2 numbers as input in binary forms and determine whether one number is greater than, less than or equal to the other number. We know that comparing 2 bits means one number can be greater than, less than or equal to the other number. Okay, here also the same operation. A comparator compares the 2 bits and determine whether one number is greater than, less than or equal to the other number. And a digital comparator is also known as a magnitude comparator. And here we have the truth table of comparator. Okay, here we are comparing 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. When we are comparing 0, 0, 0, 0 means both are equal. So A equal to B will be 1, others will be 0. And when we are comparing 0 and 1, then here A is less than B. A is less than B, and when we are comparing 1 and 0, then we get A greater than B, and again if we are comparing 1 and 1, then A equal to B. Then next we have XOR gate. XOR gate is called a basic comparator, because we already know the truth table of a XOR gate. Okay, the output of an XOR gate is always 1 when its two input bits are not equal. The output of a XOR gate is 0 when its two input bits are equal. So it is called the basic comparator. Okay, by looking at the truth table, you can understand that the truth table of a XOR gate produces a 0 when both the inputs X and Y are equal, which means if both X and Y are either 0 or 1, then the output will be 0. And if X is 0 and Y is 1, or X is 1 and Y is 0, then the output is 1. So it is called the basic comparator.